What's up, guys? It's Joseph with JB's DIY Garage. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So just had our roof redone on our garages and our house, and it was quite a bit of roof, but the cleanup crew didn't do too hot of a job. So this is just from around the house. This did not include the backyard or anything like that. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys some tips that I've done to my magnetic floor sweeper to basically make it a little easier, and hopefully this helps you guys out. All right, so number one, if you loosen this nut here, there's an adjustment, which you should be able to see right here. There's an adjustment to where you can raise and lower the wheels on this. I did not know that. It doesn't say it in the instruction manual or anything, but you can raise the wheels about an inch from the lowest setting. That way you can go through taller grass. So another thing I did is I took a bungee cord and I wrapped it around here, because this handle that you normally use to like release isn't necessarily the best thing for whenever you're doing tall grass, because it bounces around a lot and the nails that stick on fall off essentially. So that's the second thing that kind of makes sure that this magnet stays nice and flush up against the bottom, and really it doesn't do any damage to the bungee cord, so not a big deal. Now the third thing that I did to help this is I I used 3M double-sided tape in 3 spots to put one of these magnetic tool holder that I got from Harbor Freight for $5. Technically it's not wide enough to go along the whole thing. I did buy 2 of them, and you could just use a cutoff wheel and cut it to length, and I just used 3M tape on there. 3 spots seem to be good, plus the bungee cord holds it on there. But basically what that does is, as you're walking forward through the grass, you pick up a nail, it pulls forward like this and then gets caught on here. It works pretty good. It mainly only works if you're continuing to walk straight, and sometimes the grass wipes it off anyway, so it's still good to go over the same spot multiple times. Basically what I'm doing is, our grass is so tall that that I'm going through this, and then I'm gonna mow it real short and then go over it again with the Harbor Freight sweeper. But I'll show you this guy in action. So as you can see, it's pretty tall, it's moving over a bunch of stuff. So basically I'm gonna throw these guys down, and hopefully, of course, it doesn't pick up either of them. There's one stuck to the back, so then you can pick it up. Basically, one of the best things to do, there's another one. As soon as you hear that one is being picked up, you should immediately pick it up. That way it doesn't get swiped. Oh, there's another one. So that's a bonus one, because I only threw 3 down. So anyways, just wanted to give you guys a couple tricks to hopefully make your Harbor Freight magnetic sweeper work better in the grass. See, like right there, it just picked up another one that I did not put down. So yeah, good luck, guys, and happy picking up roofing nails.